Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're going to do a tune-up report on another RCI-63FFD4. This is for Kevin in Virginia. Okay, Kevin's got the amplifier switch on the back. We got it turned off. We got the RF power turned all the way down. So we'll take a look up here. Alright, so we got 10 watts on the top scale. Coming in just under 1. And all the way up. About 4.5. Alright, over here we're going to put in a 50 watt slug. The power's up here, there's 20, 30. Audio, check. Audio. Okay, alright, so there's with the amp switch off, and now we're going to go and take that amp switch, turn it on, put the power back down again, and look up here again. 10 watts on the top scale. Whoops. Power all the way down, I said. Yeah. 8 watts. And I'll put it on 100 watts top scale and turn it all the way up. She goes to 80. Peak power, we're going to take that out. Put in that 500 I just dropped. Alright. So there it is. There's 400 watts where it says 40. Powered all the way up. Turn the volume down a little. Audio. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Turn this top back off. I think that's everything. We did low to high. That's it.